Are you a graphic designer and the kind of apps that are out there are always confusing you? Well, then this video is for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 tools that are going to help you sort all your editing needs. But here's the catch. All the 5 tools specialize in a certain sort of function, and that is exactly what we're going to sort for you today. Now, let's not waste any time. Get inside this video and get your editing journey sorted.
Let's kick things off with Adobe Photoshop, the champ of pixel-based image editing. Photoshop is where the magic happens for photographers and designers. It's where you can edit photos, create graphics, and let your creativity run wild. Adobe Photoshop is a lifeline for graphic designers. Its unmatched tools like layers and filters grant designers unparalleled control over image editing and composition. With Photoshop, designers transform ideas into stunning visuals, making it an absolute must-have in their toolkit. Next, we have Canva, a design tool that's super user-friendly. Canva is for everyone, from beginners to pros. It's got an easy drag and drop interface and tons of templates for various design needs. Canva matters to graphic designers because it's easy to use and loaded with ready-made templates. It's a design tool that welcomes both beginners and pros, making it a go-to for crafting professional visuals without the hassle. Now, let's talk about CorelDraw. CorelDraw is all about vectors, perfect for making logos and sharp graphics. It's your go-to for designs that need to look great at any size. CorelDraw excels in vector illustrations and print materials like brochures and banners. It offers advanced typography tools, making it ideal for posters and text-based designs. It's also used in web graphics and precision-demanding industries like engraving. Speaking of vectors, we have Adobe Illustrator in our lineup. Illustrator is a big name when it comes to creating detailed vector art. Adobe Illustrator is a powerhouse for crafting digital and print visuals. It's your go-to for creating cartoons, diagrams, logos, and stunning illustrations. What sets it apart is the ability to trace objects from photos, making it a must-have for artists and designers looking to bring their ideas to life. If you love precision in your designs, this is your tool. Last but not the least, we have Sketch. Sketch is all about creating awesome user interfaces. Sketch is crucial because it's tailor-made for UI/UX design. It simplifies creating user interfaces and prototypes with precision. Its user-friendly grid system ensures pixel-perfect designs, and it's a favorite among web and app designers for crafting delightful user experiences. If you're into making websites and apps look fantastic, this one's for you. So there you have it, 5 amazing design tools, each with its strength. Whether you're a pixel perfectionist, a fan of user-friendly design, or a lover of precise vectors, there's a tool here for you. If you found this tour of design software interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative adventures.